Dead. I'm dead. He's done miracles on me. He's done miracles on. What's going on, fellas? We are back with another YouTube video. And today, we are playing the Garten of Banban. Yes, the Garten of Banban. So I've never even heard about this before. I just saw that it was free on Xbox. So I said, you know what? Let me try it out. Might be kind of fun. Might be kind of scary. I know it's a scary game. I just don't know how scary. So it shouldn't be too long of a video, but it should be fun. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright. So for a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. True that. True that for sure. Oh. What is going on? Oh. Okay. Banban! Banban! This game is Banban. Jumbo Josh says, okay, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong, like me. Bruh, you got like no shoulders. You need some fucking braces. That's what you need. Look at them gapped ass teeth. And you're bald. What are you talking about? Strong like you? Hell no. Creativity area. Creativity area. Oh, let's see if I can go in here. Nope. Boots. Who the fuck is Boots? Like from Dora the Explorer? Looks like I'm right here. X1. Oh, that's a key card. Okay. Okay, I'm already catching on to it. Wait, let's go over here first. I like this kind of. Stingerflynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Right. Okay, buddy. Alright, so let's go use this for the door. Beep. Oh, what's that? Can I grab this? Yes. Requires 2 batteries. Where the batteries at? I didn't see no batteries over here, did I? Maybe from the computer? No, that don't make no sense. Maybe from the trash? Yep. Knock them over. Thank you. Batteries. It disappeared. What? Okay. Where can we get batteries? 1. That's one of them. Oh. Alright, so we gotta find the double. We gotta find the segment battery. Where would that be? Oh, what does that say? Dear Mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. The monster. Claire. Me. Okay, buddy. Oh, it might be in here. Second battery. Because we can't use it yet, can we? No. Maybe it is in there. Hold on, I'll find this battery. It's the last thing I do. Right there. Wow. Oh. Am I controlling that? Is he coming towards me? Well, I have to be. I don't think it's just a fucking drone. Let me see. Boom. Oh. What do I use this? RT. Right there. Go for it. I don't think that hit. Okay, how about you hit that? Thank you. Oh! you? You're the monster. Go get him. Go get the monster. Go get the monster. No, no, no. Don't act all scared, drone. Okay, maybe let's go through here first. Oh, no, I can't go through here. Okay. I guess we have to. Hello? Hello? Nope, fuck that. We're not going in the dark. Oh. It looks like the set from... Oh! The set from the Dalgona game and Squid Game. Yeah, how about we don't do that first? The end is here. Okay, I guess the toy cannot be directly or cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. So it cannot. Naughty corner. In the naughty corner. Sharing is what? My pancreas? Dog, are you serious? You just gonna stick your tongue out like shit funny? Okay. This is not the way a desk is supposed to go. Don't you want to have it? Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, there's no crouching button. Oh my god, that scared me. Here, come over here. Right there. And then right there. There you go. Oh my god. I'm about to die. No. Need something yellow first before. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to go over here. No. Please don't attack me. Boom. Find eggs to feed Ophelia. Okay. It's finna kill me, isn't it? Whatever. Ophelia. Hello. What did that do? Can't go down there. Can't go down the slide. Yay. Oh, one egg over there. One. Another. Hey, hey, watch out. Watch out. 4. Hey, hey, hey. One right here. 5. Guess it has something to do with this, but I can't call it. Why can I not call it? Oh, it's LT. I'm tripping. Here, hit this. Thank you. Damn. Fast as shit. There we go. Hey, hey. Okay, we're good. Don't attack me. I'm gonna give it to you and... Yep, back your ass up. That was all of them, Ophelia. Oh, well, thank you. Watch out. I'm watching you. Hey, go attack him, by the way. Oh. Oh. Can't do shit, can you? Alright, goes for this. There you go. Now come attack this. Oh. Come attack this. That should work. Oh, you know what? Boom. Right there. And then boom. Hey. Open this right here. Hey. It's gone, isn't it? Oh, okay. We're good. Oh, God! What the fuck? Man, that scared the shit out of me. Fucking... Oh, no, no, no. Back up. not going anywhere near that thing. Oh. Go get it. Come here, actually. There we go. We're safe on here. Yeah. Opila Bird says laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. The fucking music. Oh. What was my color? Oh God, I don't remember. I have to. Wow. I have to remember all their colors. I have to. What? I have to go there and guess all their colors. Okay, let me go back and see. Bird pink. Bambalina. White. Ooga booga. Blue. Blue, white. Blue, white, pink. Blue, white, pink, red. Blue. Banban. Blue, white, pink, red. Blue, white, pink, red. Okay, right here. Green, green, white, red, pink, blue, orange. Okay, that's not that hard. That's Banban? No, Banban's the red dude. He seems cool. Let me off of here. Red. Red. White. Green. Pink. Blue. Orange. Hey. Hey, back up. What the fuck is it doing over there? Oh, we go through here. Well, I'll take your ass back. I'll take your ass back. Oh no, they tripping on that one. Oh no, they tripping on that one. What the fuck? Why did it get so close? What am I doing? Yeah, get it. Oh my god. Go. 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 I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm dead. He's done miracles on me. He's done miracles on me. What is that? What was I supposed to... The key card. Okay. I should have known. I picked it up and I still didn't know. Okay, it's not that scary. Jump scare wasn't that bad. Hopefully I don't just start the whole thing over. Okay, we're right here. Hello. Opila. Ophila. Are you cool? You chilling? Go ahead and back your ass up. Yep. I mean, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I didn't know it'd be that close. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck out of here. We out this bitch. Yup. Yup. Let's get it. Come on, let me in. Garten of Banban. Hello. We good? Is there... So that was Opila. So we have the red one now. Did that do anything over here? No. Anything at this door? No. What are we doing then? Can't open that. Okay. Can I hit that? Can I hit? No. Oh, what did I just do? That was something. Can't look at it. No. Just look at that. There we go. Hey, watch out. What did that do? Open this over here? Nope. Nope. This is not too bad, I guess. I just don't know what I'm supposed to do. Use that. Use that. Hey. Watch you. Come here. What's going on? What's going on down there? I want to see. I want to see. Oh, it's bringing something up. Someone gonna chase me? Hey, come here. Oh my god. Okay, we're good. We are good. Whoa. We close it like that. Hi? Hello? Oh shit. It's down there. Banban? Where'd that big girl go? Oh, hello. Thumbnail. Don't tell me that's it. That was just the start of it. It better not be the whole thing. Well, that was the Garten of Banban 1. It looks like they have tons of other games. So we're definitely going to have to play those. They got 2, 3, 4. And I think I saw 5 on the Play Store. So if you want to see those, leave a comment, like the video, and I'll definitely release those videos soon. But other than that, that was Garten of Banban. Kind of scary. Opila. Big ass bird, what do you want me to say? But alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.